since the entire speed was playing. Okay, just a few bombs. Oh, why did I do that? Why the fuck did I manage to do that? Oh, how did I do that?
There's two choppers. One of them is following you, and the other one is up behind me with a burning wing.
It would be hilarious if there was a helicopter for each player.
Yeah.
There were like 10 players, if it was 10 helicopters. No, the one with the burning wing,
shit.
that's the one that was at the face. That's the one I shot at.
Oops.
He died. Look, he's dead. I noticed it twice. Oh, you don't fucking say me.
I'm alive!
Age is working here.
Oh shit! Oh no! I made a loop! I made a full 360! Shit! My boat is stuck! It's dropping bombs in between my legs!
Don't do that.
I shit!
Fuck, how did I fuck that up? I'll never fuck that jump up.
My gut.
I thought he was invincible. I most certainly did not. Get in there. You're spectating me. Do something. You respawn again. Wait for team. Let's just have to stay out of the wall for 45 seconds.
Oh,
Excuse me while I do all this stuff.
Alright. Helicopters found me again. Both of them this time. Ow, my ass.
Yes. Nice delicious.
Oh no! Oh god, what the hell was that? I did it!
You didn't make it, did you? You just ran out of time.
Yeah.
Ah!
It's not giving me mine! Oh, there it is.
Fuck. Ow, ow, ow!
He's dead.
Well, that did not work out well. There's two choppers! Oh god, now I see why you died.
That's probably why I died then.
Fuck everything.
I only see one double.
Oh, Jesus Lord.
Oh, that is the other one. Fucking hell.
Oh shit.
I'll
Oh,
fucking
my
kill you
ass.
if you die. Ow!
Whose genius bright idea was it to add 2 helicopters instead of 1?
Some splat. Why the fuck would they do that?
I
They
don't
get
know.
it for like 5 players, but come on. 5 players, 2 jellies is fair enough. But 2 players, 2 jellies? No, come on. But this is me. I think I made it. Nope, there's more. But wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more!
What the fuck? Why, in what way is that where the helicopter dropping from?
What the fuck's going on?
I really don't know. I'm just being chased by 2 helicopters. One's dropping bombs ahead of me, and another one's shooting a machine gun at me behind me. I just hit a bomb, and another bomb. Dude, I'm so on.
He's dead.
Look, he's dead!
Yeah. You see, that's why I
Oh
was...
shit! Oh shit!
Welcome to the machine, motherfucker. Yes, sir. I think so.
Bomb! Oh god! Shit! Oh god lord!
Ah! Fuck! Pain! 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 No, but help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! You're inside the garage, right?
Yes?
I accidentally drove too far.
Oh, there's a third airboat!
I'm at 8 HP, help me. Fucking hell. Do you have any health kits you can help me out?
No, I have literally 0.
So do I, exactly. Pretty annoying, actually. Oh, the tower's collapsing.
Oh shit!
Chimneys, that's all. Chimneys.
Oh, got it.
That
Got in my
chimney
way.
collapsed.
What?
Nothing.
Okay, nothing it is then.
The chimney collapsed on you, didn't it?
Nah, no, it collapsed in front of me. I couldn't go in.
And go in.
Oh no, a tank!
Still not a tank. It's
Oh,
an
my
APC,
face.
mate.
Who gives a shit? It's a tank for me.
There are actually tanks in this game. They just don't work. What the fuck? Oh, right. I thought it was shooting missiles at me, but it was shooting after you while you were inside the tunnel. So it's just shooting them up into the air and then hitting the ground right next to it.
Geniuses.
I'm surprised it didn't damage the APC, to be honest.
It probably did.
Well, it's just a puzzle part. Oh, so hard. Like me. Yes, it is. Look at this. This is such a hard part for me. There's a letter. Okay, so your mates are assholes. I like that. Your mates can really be assholes. Just jump in that.
Alright.
Hey, your weight might be enough.
I have
Hey,
jumped in it.
how much do you weigh? I don't know, clearly.
A lot?
Yes.
I'm not surprised. I have been on a strict diet of McDonald's only for a past month.
That's a good diet.
I know it is.
Go get yourself an airboat.
Wait,
You did not go get yourself an airboat.
what now?
An airboat. I told you to get an airboat.
Oh yeah.
An orbit.
Ow!
Fine. Did that damage you?
No.
Okay, good. Oh shit! It just comes speeding by.
Oh shit!
Oh my god, no. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Catch it!
Oh my fucking god. There we go. Fuck me. God damn.
There we go. Ah, shit, wall. Foot. Fuck, did you crash?
I'll just park up here and just... No, it
Ooh,
doesn't work.
supplies.
Yeah, ignoring the fact that there's Mortagon is standing with a massive gun in his hand.
Oh yeah, he kind of is.
We're gonna get that fun, mate. Have you got your sunstick?
No.
What the fuck? You both lost it.
Oh no.
I suppose it's when we die, you just drop it.
Come on, get in here.
Come on, get in here. Just
Don't take it away from him.
This here's the day.
What? It's just a bunch of his face, surely.
A stone's throw from the apron.
Look, the magnifying glass actually works. How fancy is that?
But getting there,
It's next gen.
chopper on your ass.
Yeah.
Impossible.
I'm afraid it was, man. I wouldn't be
The
surprised.
Morgon's working his magic on your airboat, so you'll have a little more firepower going forward.
Ooh,
think he's just
look,
finishing up now.
he's working his magic on our airboats. Oh my god! What did you do? What did you do?
He threw a grenade in his butthole.
Oh my god. No, but look at this.
I'm looking at this.
Take that chopper down.
Mine has one. Mine has one as well, right?
I'm pretty sure it does.
No, it doesn't.
Did it?
It doesn't. You want to switch?
No. Screw. Why did the others not spawn with one? I'm pretty sure normally everybody has one.
Well, it doesn't.
That's gonna make it really impractical for us.
This game is racist. Oh, my facial expression.
Well, practice never likes Lithuanians anyway. Yeah.
God damn it.
That's why racist. Look, Cisador! I don't know why, but I always thought this.
Policeman.
You gotta go into the right, mate. It's not close down.
Oh shit.
I warned you. Right?
Oh, you dickweed. I need to turn around.
Yeah, I'll wait for you.
My leg!
Shit.
You know what the fuck is ABC on?
Don't worry, something.
Oh my god! There you go. I fucked an APC up. Where are you? You know, how much HP? It's 8. Hey, shut the fuck up.
Explosives up. Ouch.
You get dated. This is bad spell, to be honest. Oh god, he's gonna spawn all the way back down.
So
Oh,
the training level.
no. Again. Oh, there you go.
Damn it, I wanted that one. Where's mine?
Ah,
It did, oh, there we go.
see, it has done this time. Oh, god. Dude, don't waste the ammo.
It's not, it regenerates itself back.
Yes, I know, but you know it's wasted. Hey,
You're
see,
gonna-
we can shoot the shells out in this house. Dude, try shooting it in this house. I'll just shoot at the ABC, whatever.
Oh shit!
What are you doing?
I crashed into a truck.
Don't do that.
I won't. Maybe.
I'll consider it. Let's go to the left.
Alright.
Zinging times.
Oh no! Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Shit. Oh god. Oh, I fired.
Yeah, it's a nice familiar place. Fire. There's fire, there's...
Shit. Shit.
No, we're fine. Go to the right when you come down the tunnel. And do not rush ahead when you get out, okay?
Okay, I won't.
Don't rush ahead here. Come on. Come on. Yes.
Don't worry, the APC is not dangerous at all. Yeah, you see, it's shooting inaccurate rockets.
Oh, go. Swat.
Oh, my face.
You gotta go in there. Go. No, in the boat!
Oh yeah.
Gotta go easy. Oh god. The boat isn't, the ABC isn't a problem at all, he said. As he died. Great job, mate.
Thank you.
Great job. Great job. Speaking a little too soon. You fucking jinxed it, didn't you?
It has teleported me for fucking at the beginning of the level.
Well, maybe I can jinx it. You gotta jump left.
Oh god, rockets.
Oh, look at this. The bus battle.
Level change 43 seconds.
40!
Don't matter. Oh, my lifeless
35.
body.
Rocket body?
My lifeless body. Ah, my face.
30!
I will make it.
25th.
I will make it.
20. 15.
I'll make it.
10.
You.
Oh. 8. Whatever. Boat. Oops. We're gonna find a helicopter now, by the way. That's fine.
Alright.
Hang on. I really hope there aren't 2 helicopters at this battle. I will die. Yeah? Okay. We gotta shoot this helicopter down.
Alright.
Can't wait for it to get closer to some reason.
On my face.
Careful with your face. You wouldn't want your off your face getting ruined.
There's another one coming in.
Are you serious?
Look.
I joked about it. Come on. Okay. You take care of the other one that's burning from 2 places.
Alright, I will. I'll just take out this one. Fuck, are we supposed to beat that like?
With great difficulty.
Wait, what?
With great difficulty. Oh, we get to respawn. Huh.
No, we don't. I don't.
What?
I can't respawn. Oh, there we go.
Station.
Give me airport.
So we can just continue the fight, okay.
Alright,
That's how we're gonna do it.
that's better.
I was gonna say it was gonna be fucking impossible. Oh my god, I'm all the way down to 30 HP, mate.
Oh yeah, pilot fell out.
Fucking gunning me. Yeah, they do that after a while. I mean, it's shooting at- for fuck's sake.
Deja vu.
I like how my character's like, whoa, deja vu. There's a chopper over here spamming bombs everywhere.
They do It's the panic mode.
Ouchies.
The helicopter's going
Oh
sideways.
fuck.
Oh fuck, we only get one. Oh my god. We both get to die once.
We do?
We have to restart now.
How are we gonna beat this then?
Like I said, what the fuck?
What?
Robert, can you see that in the sky as well?
What the?
Is that the previous level?
I remember once I like saw a thingy that in China somebody saw a city in the sky, an illusion. So I think it might be happening in Synergy.
You see the city in the sky?
Yep.
Right. Make sure not to take too much damage. Make sure to hide. Do not get near the bombs.
Yeah,
If
we'll
he
try.
starts spraying his gun,
Oh god, what the
hide behind rocks and shit.
I'll do my best.
There's a skybox we can see, right?
Why the hell am I not? My bullets are invisible.
So many great difficulties.
On my face.
Second helicopter's coming in. What the fuck? If you just saw the thing happening on my screen, fucking hell, that was freaky. Oh, I'm dead.
I literally saw like 3 more helicopters in the skybox.
I really hope we are going to fight 50 helicopters. I'm gonna die. Still there. Okay, no.
Yes.
We have a secondary plan.
A secondary plan.
Yes, now what we're gonna do, right?
Yeah.
That you're going to follow me. You're going to fucking haul ass over to the gate over there, you see it?
Yes.
Okay, come on. Haul ass. And I want you to wait at the bottom of the gate. Make sure that the helicopter does not hit you, right?
Uh-huh.
Just keep avoiding the bullets and bombs and whatever it throws at you.
Alright, we'll do.
And you just wait at the bottom of the gate. As soon as you can get under it, do so.
Alright.
There's no point in waiting around, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'm opening it. Get under, get under, get under.
I'm in.
Alright. Good. Okay, just make sure not to jump.
I'll do my best.
Okay, now you actually need to get up on the top of that hill. There's a ramp you can use if you go back.
Both the helicopters are on me.
Yeah, I'm dead. Okay, that won't work either.
I think I might have a slight idea.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we should use the same tactic that we did on that level with the guys. You go and fight them, I'll just wait.
How's that gonna... Oh, right. I see. So you can respawn.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. You can respawn as many times as you want then. I'll just chill here. I'm just gonna watch some YouTube.
Eventually.
Dude,
Yeah?
just realized I fucking made it.
Nice. Can I go then?
Finally fucking done it. Yes, you can go.
Yay!
You just gotta wait until I open the gate. Oh. Just gotta wait until I open Who is this? Hi, friends! Sorry now.
Sheet.
Questions or what? I've just fought helicopters in that air, but any questions or what? Oh, but you see where I am?
Yeah.
You see that pile of wood?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta round off that. Have fun.
Alright.
You gotta go through the opening.
Oh god.
That was an explosion.
It came out of the barrel came out of nowhere. It legit did.
Also taken up. I killed a crown.
Waiting for team.
I'm shooting birds. I'm just shooting them out
Don't
of
kill
the air.
innocent animals that don't deserve to die that much.
Oh, that crows deserve to die in this case.
Klubi just told me to tell you Pornhub.
Go and tell Kruger he can go fuck himself.
What?
Go and tell Kruger he can go fuck himself. Silence.
I'm typing.
Okay, good. Oh!
What's the matter?
I hit an explosive barrel, it exploded on me, and did no damage. I fucked the jump up, fuck it, level change now. Oh my god, I flew far, but yeah.
Alright. Tell him. And then there's just silence.
Tell him.
Alright.
You.
Tell him I did that too much and now my penis is sore.
What was it I told him to go do?
Typing something.
Norbert, you changed level.
Alright. I did that too much and now my penis is sore. God, I really gotta start using lube again. What should I tell him?
Tell him nothing. Just
Just what?
smiley. Okay, send him, fuck's sake. This.
Alright. Rena told me to tell you unhappy smiley.
You look quite unhappy. He's fucking skunking. Oh mate, wait, you coming?
I'm here. I was telling Klubi to that he told you that all that bullshit. Oh god, I teleported magically.
We've got something.
No more airbird force.
Okay, it's human.
Look at how the cameras are
Hello?
focused in different places.
Take it easy in
Confused as
there.
fuck.
You're safe now.
Safe.
You'll have to forgive the scanning process. We can't take any chances.
I love
Dr.
the smell.
Freeman?
Yes, indeed.
Gordon Freeman? You've made it here this quickly. Well, Eli is going to be amazed.
Norby is dying.
I'm Dr. Mossman. Dr.
Deja
Mossman.
vu.
Take my health.
I've been hearing about you since
My character just said, oh, deja vu.
Oh, Black Mesa. I do so envy you working with Eli and Dr. Clyde when they were at the top of their field. Ah, there we go. You can come through now.
Tell Norbert that he's a good guy, but you can easily get the feeling that he is gay. Literally what he wrote.
Well, what now?
He said, tell Norbert that he is a good guy, but you can easily get the feeling that he is gay. He spelled easily incorrectly. It's funny.
So much faster.
Easily.
Yeah, easily. Easily.
Alright. He told me to tell you this.
Except the Combine still hasn't tested. Eli thinks their portals are string-based, similar to our Calabial model, but they fail to factor in the dark energy. They can tunnel through from their universe, but once they're here,
Oh god, your body's having a fucking seizure.
if they knew what we were doing with them.
Yeah, pretty much.
He's a caddy man, but
Sound like
pretty
a
fucking
phone
hard to do.
dog. I'm just
Just
so excited.
use the elevator.
Use the
stop
elevator,
talking,
you
I don't
fucking
care.
beach.
Stop, damn
Where
it.
was it? Oh, yes. Dr. Clyde has pressed the button.
What did you do?
Nothing. G-Man.
Figured out how to use
What?
it as an unexpressed action.
Oh shit.
You're an idiot.
Around the border world,
I dare you to do that again, it's fine.
without having to
I don't have any fucking grenades.
No. No, you.
My carcass parts fell all over the room. How is Eli not finding any of this suspicious?
It's fine.
You haven't changed one iota. Let's see. The last time I saw you, I set you up for
Oh yeah, I just remember the Klubi told me that I'm a nice guy, but he can easily sense that I'm gay, right?
it took you this long to get back to.
Tell him that I told him. Hold on, let me remember.
Norbert tells you
tell him that I'm not gay. I like pussy.
You and Bob between these days. We'll get you out of that hazard so I can do your rest where you belong.
Let me just finish up some work and I'll see what I can do. Dr. Freeman,
Done?
it's been a real
Yes.
honor.
Okay, good.
I'm looking forward to working with you.
Yes, I've been trying to break it.
Look how bright it gets.
I see. It's so bright.
I clearly remember doing that. I'm getting fucking blind.
Alex brings in the strangest thing.
I like cats too. However, this is what he wrote. However, something. We find something. I don't like boy cats. This is.
Wait, what now? I wasn't listening.
Oh fuck you. He says I like cats too. However, I don't like boy cats.
Can't believe you moved so quickly on
What is your answer to that?
Let me think. Oh, look at this. Look at this picture.
He earned
Look at
it.
this picture.
I guess you proved you can handle yourself.
This picture right here. Look at it.
Nothing
What the
a woman
fuck?
can't handle. With possible exception of you.
Dad,
Hey, that's supposed to be a photo of Alex's mother in general family.
That is. Hold on. Let me get out of the way. I gotta take a good picture. I gotta take a good POV of this. It's gonna be my new profile picture.
New profile picture.
Done. It's gonna be my profile picture soon.
Ozian, don't you?
Who the hell is Ozzy?
That picture and Alex were all I managed to carry out of Black Mesa.
I think it's his wife. Oh, well.
He fucked a cat.
Yes, he did. No, yes, he did. He fucked. That's why Alex is a little bit weird.
Oh god, that was hilarious.
Hey, no, but come over here. Hold this one down. No,
Vortigons believed me, so I could
press one of these.
Hold on, Kluby's talking to me about pink and short shorts.
Repairs well.
Just use the buttons.
Someone missed
Hold on, hold on.
the combine virus.
Use up rocket science of brain
Are you
surgery.
blaming me?
No, not that one. The other one. Use the red one. Hold the other red one.
Hold on. Kluby's claiming that I'm homosexual.
He's the one.
Sometimes
Oh,
I think you deliberately
God.
misunderstand me.
Alex, why don't you take Gordon along and give him some practice with the graphic?
Sure. Come on, Gordon. Let's go have some fun.
No, but
Hold on, Kluby's claiming that I'm a homosexual.
no, I don't care.
I do.
Out of here.
I
Because
care about my
of the
reputation. Unless Lithuania homos are hated.
Well, that's not my problem.
It should be.
Why should that be my problem? I'm
For
not
good reason.
homosexual.
Alright, let's go
Still
do that
follow
shit.
me. Hold E on this button.
My briefcase! Oh my God. You fucking animal rapist. I have my life.
Proof that Norbert is really gay. Ruby, short,
So I see you met Dr.
on
Moffat.
men. They nice.
She's one of the
I actually. Hold on, I'll clear it up for you.
Hear her drone on about how it should have been her
This is actually how it was.
chamber that day. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be talking about
This is how it actually was.
This gets a bit claustrophobic down here.
You made it up.
No, but where are you?
I'm going with Alex.
No, but
Passage to
come back here. I
Okay.
want to test something. What's the beam on this thing? There's supposed to be a beam. Okay, hold the red one. No. Just hold it down, okay? I just want to test it. Please, just hold it down.
Alright, I'm holding it down.
Clearly not. Yes, we can rotate both ways at the same time.
Yay!
And that's satisfied, we kidding. That was literally all I wanted to do. When was that you? Fuck you.
Oh god, I'm wondering how many hours of footage I got of this game so far.
Too many.
And the footage is probably gonna be like fucking 50 gigabytes big.
Well, that's what that is.
I'm still loading.
Alright. No, but traffic light.
So, here we are.
The scrapyard. Alex, shut up.
This is a gravity
played this game so many times. I do not really care about you. Alex, just shut up. Yes, yes, yes. Dog, 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 dog.
I'm stuck in the wall.
You. Dog, 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 dog.
Get over here, I'm stuck in the wall.
Alright,
Ian, you dickweed, I'm stuck in the wall.
I'm on my fucking way, mate. Now just give me dog a barrel. What is it?
I'm literally stuck in the fucking thing.
How did you manage that? What? Hey, hang on, when did I get my stun stick back?
Oh yeah, seriously. Okay, but can we please get to more crucial situations?
Yes.
Take this.
I'm not sure if I want.
You feel it?
It's not sure.
I feel it.
And my character's like, do you feel it? I feel it.
It just exploded. So yeah. Could you go into your console? Wait till I respawn. I want you to go into console and type explode Greener. The Greener part doesn't actually matter, it explodes you anyway.
Damn it!
But that's a way of fixing the problem. I've got a gravity gun now. Right.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Don't show shit at me, I'm talking to Klubi about homosexuality.
Why?
He's claiming I'm gay.
Who gives a fuck? Who gives a damn?
Me.
Look at this, oh shit! Yeah, you see that? Oh my god.
Now let me call Dog. He loves to play fetch. Dog! Come!
Klubi will not shut up about the gay thing.
Plug him and leave it be. We're supposed to play fetch with dog, we're not playing fetch with each other.
Sheath!
The
No.
crow flies out. Shoot the crow.
Oh guys, they got him.
Yeah. Look, 3 crows. Target practice. What the fuck are they doing? Follow me while I room. Oh yeah, we're supposed to catch those.
Throw another, Dog.
Then Klubi's like, but I can show you the most just fucking admit that you came out of the fridge. You are really starting to piss me off.
Good catch.
What?
Another one, Dog. Awesome. Go ahead, Dog. Throw.
Just admit you came out the fridge. Why the fridge? What?
Ask him out of fucking that.
Excellent.
What?
Dog, go get your ball.
He's gonna get his ball. Did he just run through me?
The dog is getting his left testicle. Don't be throwing that shit at me.
I just left testing.
Hey!
Hang on, actually, I wonder if this part breaks. If just... If you think he'd automatically, yeah, he'd run like that. It's pretty cool. Look at this. You actually, in the actual game, you get an achievement if you can get it down. Score a goal. I've never managed to do it.
Hold on, I think I might be able to do it. I'm a professional basketballer at my school, even though I'm not.
Sorry, you fucked it up.
He'd be throwing boxes at us!
He's supposed to actually be playing with this ball, but because we've got it, he doesn't really know what to do. So he's just throwing shit around. Because
at
where's
this.
the ball?
Whoops. Whoops.
No, but if we can... No, stop that, you piece of shit! No!
Like to play fetch.
I can
didn't
hide.
tell you who
Ah, here. Here you go. No, but did you see that?
I think dog is broken.
No, but just look up here.
Did you do what I think you did?
No, but the roller mine's up there.
Wait, what?
The roller mine's up there.
There's a reason why dog is broken.
Yeah. That's the
Oh, yeah.
Why did they come roll down? It's supposed to roll down again.
I don't know. Maybe Synergy forgot to fix that. They just broke it more.
Ah, he wants to crash.
What is that? Scanners!
Oh no.
Scanners. We got my room in the alley. We are back to the lab. Come on.
My suitcase. Oh,
Alex, do you read?
you're in here? I thought you got left out.
No, I get teleported in.
Where are
Aw.
you, Alex?
We're in the scrapyard
Stand
area,
still.
stuck in a full auto cycle.
Thank
Is
you.
Gordon still with you?
He's right here.
Good. I want you two to...
You have no health kits.
I have
Take Gordon out
legit
of here.
zero.
Head for the coast. Do not go through rape.
Do not go through Ravenholm. We're gonna go through
Dog,
Ravenholm.
open the airlock. Get us out of here. Now! Tear it apart. Get it open. That's enough, dog. Come
Do
on.
those frantic information.
Come on.
Oh, I thought you were gonna follow Alex.
Why would I do that?
You need to.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
So dramatic. Like,
Gordon, you need to get out of here. I can't leave my father. Dog, take Gordon to the Ravenholm tunnel and circle around and try to...
That was a Galanga thing.
yes. I'm gonna try to see if
It's coming to go.
Oh, no, no, but hang up.
What?
Wait
What?
up.
What?
Wait up.
What?
Wait up, you
Wah!
piece of shit. He's so gonna crush the box, isn't he? Oh, just keep it open. Oh no, he's gonna crush the box.
Don't you be throwing barrels at me, you teat. Oh, you went through me. That always makes sense.
No, fuck. No, you're fine. Okay. You ready to fight some zombies?
Yes.